Hello, welcome back to Nicole Chinese Mandarin. In today's 10 essential verbs, we will mention the fourth one, 会. 会 has a really similar pronunciation as the verb we learned last time. 回, 回 second tone, 会 fourth tone. If you type 会 in any translate apps, that will be can, but actually it's not really accurate. 会 should better translate as know how to do something. Examples: 我不会游泳 I don't know how to swim, so I can't swim. 我会做饭 I know how to cook. 我会 SQL 和 Python. I know these two computer languages. I know how to use them. And also, this 会 has meaning of I know how to do something because I learned this. I learned these skills. Another example: 我会说英语，但是不会教。I know how to speak English, but I don't know how to teach it because I never learned about language education. 会 also has meaning of will do something. And generally in a sentence, we'll have some future time related vocabularies or phrases. 我明天会游泳。This action will happen tomorrow. 明天 tomorrow. 我明天会做饭 cooking. Okay, this is all of today's video. I will see you in next video soon.